Look at this carrot, is from Madeira. Looks how different. It's super big and short. So cute.
Cheers. Good morning, guys. It's a little bit after 8 o'clock. Second day in our juice challenge. We swapped the morning juice of the challenge into celery juice because we're drinking celery juice for weeks now in the morning and we just love it.
Yeah.
So we also prepared the next juice, 11 o'clock already, which you will then see later on, and stored it in the fridge because we figured out juicing every 3 hours can be very intense in the kitchen.
Yeah.
So we think doing 2 juices or 3 juices at a time and storing them in the fridge, it's better.
It's easier.
It's easier, yeah. But we don't have enough containers to store the juice. Our kitchen is not really Jamie Oliver style or Gordon
It's not
Ramsay.
fully equipped yet. One day maybe.
Yeah, we need to eat more sausages or pickles to have more storage glasses because we're not buying any crap. We use what's around to save the environment.
Yeah. And so this juice is celery and pear. So what
This is Madeira celery, that's why it's very green.
Yeah, yesterday we had celery as well, but it was a Spanish celery and was super watery and barely no color to it. The Madeira celery is very green and nice.
And very delicious, very creamy. So if you ever want to buy celery, come to Madeira. Buy a yearly
delicious.
supply and bring it wherever
and
you
it's
live.
so hard to find. We go to the supermarket, sometimes there's no celery anywhere.
Or the fruterias too.
Yeah. If you know a celery dealer in Madeira, just
Let us know.
let us know.
We pay top dollar. Okay, see you guys later.
See you.
Bye.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
We have the 11 o'clock juice here.
So let's shake it. And that's enough. That's enough workout for today.
Yeah. The 11 o'clock juice is avocado,
Apples.
apple, pineapple. No, not pineapple. Would be pineapple. We switched to orange.
Because I just got 2 wisdom tooths removed last week.
Yeah, last week.
And it's still kind of
So it's
burns.
too acid. So we switched to orange. We did some research and we saw the orange would have the same vitamins. So 1 orange, 2 apples, 1/4 of avocado, 2 centimeters of cucumber, and 1/4 of lime. That's it.
And there should be green leaves in it, but we forgot them.
Yeah, exactly.
So
we forgot the spinach.
Who cares?
It's okay.
Okay.
And I have a little bit of headache still since yesterday. Very little. It's not the headache that pounds a lot, but it's just constant since yesterday. But it's due to the lack of caffeine, but you get used to it. The worst part is we live just beside a Pingo Doce and they cook the whole day, and now the smell of food is I'm almost going down and buying some portion.
We woke up with the smell of onions, cooked onions. Now they're doing some, I don't know, pork or something.
The smell is amazing.
Also down at because we live close to Foro Madeira, there's Pingo Doce, and there is the cinema. So the cinema's roasting popcorn all the time.
Yeah, in the afternoon we have the smell of the popcorn, but it's okay.
We don't want this.
Temptations. We have temptations in life. Yeah, we have to overcome them.
Who eats food when you can drink juice?
See you later, guys.
See you later, guys.
If you look at this beautiful plate, it's like a salad in a glass. I'm not joking, it's delicious. Hi guys.
This is our 2 o'clock juice. A pint of blood.
Look at the color of this juice, so beautiful.
And the taste. Beetroot, one of my favorites.
So we juiced all together now, because yesterday we were juicing every 3 hours. It was a nightmare.
Six times a day.
Was a nightmare, because every 3 hours, every 2.5 hours we were running to the kitchen to juice and can't do nothing else. So today we figured a better strategy. In the morning we juiced the 8 o'clock and the 11 o'clock, and now in the afternoon we juiced the other 4. 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock is only 2 apples which you drink with some hot water and cinnamon.
It's delicious.
Super delicious. You should try it in the evening. Just juice 2 apples, put hot water on top in a big cup, and some cinnamon. It's amazing.
If you don't have a juicer, you can just blend the apple with a little bit of water, and then you put in a net and squish it to have the juice, and it's delicious. So that's it for now. And what else?
You're the boss.
See you later, guys.
See you later.
Now is our special sausage glass. This sausage is gross, by the way, don't buy it.
We still have delicious Lebkuchen from Christmas. Can you see?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you think we can juice them? Hi guys, it's our 5 o'clock juice now. No clue what's in it.
Avocado, lemon, and orange. Yeah, avocado, lemon, orange, and a bunch of stuff. I will put the recipes for you later. So it's the same juice from the 8 o'clock, right? Yeah. Same juice from the 8 o'clock. So we're not talking much for the 8 o'clock juice. We come back at 9 o'clock just with the last juice of the day. Yes.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, that's it then.
See you guys.
See you later, guys. So guys, this is the last juice, the 9 o'clock juice. It's the same from yesterday, the hot water with apple and cinnamon. And that's why we didn't film the process for you, because it's the same from the yesterday's vlog. And I had a headache the whole day, mild, very mild, but now it's fine. It's gone. I think the body's adjusting.
I had no headache.
No? Good.
I was not hungry.
Yeah, I was not hungry either. I woke up in the morning feeling a little bit, how can I say? Feeling a little bit tired. Retired, I feel all the time. Tired, feeling a little bit shit, actually. But after the first juice, I was fine again.
Alright, so we'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be with us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos, and be with us.